Hey, welcome back to Enlightened Tutors.
It asks in the equation above, k is a constant. If x equals 9, what's the value of k? We have two kinds of letters that we use in math. We've got constants and we've got variables. Like the name suggests, variables can vary. I can plug in pretty much anything I want for a variable, unless it has a restricted domain, but that's a different point. Variables vary. Constants, on the other hand, remain constant. So k here only has one number that it can possibly ever equal, whereas x is a variable and it can equal whatever the question tells you it wants to equal. In particular here, it says x equals 9. Since x is a variable, we're going to plug that number in for x here. So I get k plus 2 minus, instead of x, now I have 9, equals 0. My goal here is to isolate k. That means the 9 is the first thing I remove. Now, an equation is perfectly balanced, meaning that in order to move something over, I must apply a balanced change. So since this 9 is subtracting, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add. But like I said, that change has to be balanced on both sides, so I add 9 to both sides. This makes it go away here. Now I've got square root k plus 2 equals 9. The next thing I'm going to get rid of, that next outermost thing, is this square root symbol. Again, I'm always going to do the opposite, and I'm always going to do whatever's the opposite to both sides. The opposite of this square root is to square something, which puts it to the second power. Now, this is a habit that I have, which is putting everything in parentheses when I do this. That just shows that I'm squaring the whole left side and the whole right side of the equation separately. This, in fact, let me switch colors here. This makes my square root symbol go away. And it turns the 9 into 81. We're at the last step here, which is to remove this 2. Again, I'm going to do the opposite to both sides, which is subtract. Makes it go away. K equals 79. And that is going to be choice letter D.
For more helpful videos, follow us on TikTok and YouTube.